Hello everyone. So this company TOOVREN sent me these cleaning brushes from Amazon. They are about $13.73, so just under 14 bucks. And this product actually seems kind of cool. I was a little bit excited to get it because it seems like it'd be perfect for cleaning boats or just kind of all kinds of stuff around the house that's kind of pain in the neck. It's just nice that you can connect it to a drill and just kind of a basic tool anyone has and go ahead and clean or scrub something with a kind of a lot of power and get something off that otherwise by hand would just be a pain in the neck. Now, it's middle of the winter, so I'm not going to go out and try to clean my boat or anything like that, but I do have some kind of light mold in the bathroom, so I'm going to just see how that works with this. But overall, you get 4 brushes. This thing is just under $14. I think it's a totally fair price. It has standard drill bit connectors in the end. I guess let's see how this thing works. Alright, so here's a particularly gross corner of the shower. I just sprayed this down with bleach about 10 or 15 minutes ago. Let's get this thing in your test run, see how it works. This stuff's pretty old anyway. Alright, so the cleaning part of the video didn't come out quite as good as I expected. However, if you look at it about halfway through, you can see as I kind of remove some of the yellow or whatnot, just residue gunk off the side of the wall, and it literally just comes off in 1 second. So it really worked very well. Some of the other residue, some of the black stuff you see, it's actually stuck to the rubber kind of caulking of the bathroom, so it wouldn't remove, so I'm going to have to replace the caulking. But any kind of stain, any just general residue that is built up on a boat, on a bathtub, anywhere, it really just removed it instantly. And one thing I haven't tested on the boat is I said it's still winter. I'm concerned maybe it will scratch it, but the nice thing about using this with the drill is you could use it as fast as you want, and the bristles, they're not that strong, so I actually think that as long as you don't kind of go full speed cleaning the boat, I really think this could work very well. And overall, for 14 bucks, I must say that this kit is pretty awesome. I mean, you get 4 different types of ends: small one, large one, medium, and one for kind of getting the corners. So that's pretty good. I think price-wise, it's a slam dunk, and it's just not really a cleaning device I normally think of, but it really just scrubs away. So if you're kind of doing that style of scrubbing where you're really trying to get those stains out, this it works absolutely fantastic. Just the fact that it fits in the drill, it also makes it easier. And overall, I just want to say that I mean, they did send me this product, but I definitely recommend it. And yeah, just let me know if you find any other uses for it, but just removing tough grime, dirt, anything like that, this just gets it out of there at lightning speed.